Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava mobile guys font and display size setting, how to change font and display size in lava mobile. So friends, you want to change the lava mobile font size, display size, so how to change one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, open your lava mobile phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your lava mobile. Friends, in your lava mobile, scroll it, click here display setting. After on display setting friends, font size friends, click here, and friends you want to change long while font size. Right side you can increase and left side friends you can decrease. There are four size, small size, and you can check long while small font size. And friends you want to change, you want to set default size, you want to set friends large size. So friends click here and you can change it. And friends you want to largest size, so friends right side you can increase. And display size friends you want to change, so when there are three size, small, default and large. So friends you want to use small size, small display size and small font size, so you can change it. Friends you can see font size will set into small, display size is also small. And friends you want to use default display font size, and display size you want to use default size, so and select. And you want to use largest size, so right side increase, and display size we will increase. So like that friends you can change and you can use font and display size setting in your lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to change font and display size in lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.